the eye, well, when you see it now, it's kind of broken up. And so that's good news because it's just not as strong. Take a look at the center of the system here. There's the eye. And notice how it doesn't have that nice formation to it. Watch what happens here as it goes over the land. It kind of breaks up a little bit. You actually kind of lose the center. And now you see the center coming back over and the eye starts to form again. But it's just not well developed as it was. And so as long as it stays like that, we'll have a weaker system. But it is going over warmer water, so it could generate into a stronger system as we go through the next day or so. Okay, here's the latest then on Hurricane Maria. Winds at 110 miles an hour, still a Category 2 storm, moving to the northwest at 9 miles an hour. As it takes that track to the northwest, the Turks and Caicos Islands right here could get a glancing blow, but still, you're talking Category 3 storm, winds at 120, 115 miles per hour. It's down a little bit from what it was, but still a very strong storm. But then it takes this track and expected to go more northerly. And as it moves northerly, it gets closer to the United States. But watch this last little kind of jog to the right on that track, meaning it stays a little farther away from the Carolina coast. This is Monday evening, and they're expecting it to be around 90 miles per hour. But then again, if it's farther to the left on this part of the cone, it gets closer to North Carolina, so don't let your guard down. Definitely something we'll be watching. The spaghetti models, you see all the models put together, very consistent, moving it up to the north. But once it gets closer to the Carolinas, notice how it kind of fans out a little bit. That's why I'm not totally confident that this will miss us. Definitely something we'll be watching. All right. Here's the latest on Jose, still spinning around. This is a really interesting system because it's going this way and now it's going back that way. It'll be interesting to see how this affects the motion with Maria. Latest on our radar, you can see a few scattered showers up here around Greensboro, Winston-Salem, around Lexington. They're moving more south, so folks in our extreme eastern part of our viewing area just may see a shower probably for the next hour or two. Then I think they're going to dissipate. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, generally clear skies, and as we go into tomorrow afternoon, a few clouds may pop up, so I may put in about a 20% chance for a widely scattered shower tomorrow afternoon. But still very mild out here. Here's 11 o'clock. It's 76 degrees, 70 degrees in Monroe right now. In your hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow, we're back into the 80s, mid to upper 80s, and only a 20% chance for that scattered shower. Check this out. We're starting to get pictures in from the high country. This one came in from Grandfather Mountain. You can see the color there. And right now we're seeing low color through the mountains, but it is starting. They say it's about a week earlier than it was last year. So here's a look at our forecast. If you're heading out to the mountains to see some of that color, we're looking at temperatures in the 70s up there. There could be a scattered shower or two around that area. 30% chance you'll see one. 80s through the foothills. 87 here in Charlotte, partly cloudy skies. A stray shower is possible, but only a 20% chance. If you live east of town, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And on the 7-day forecast, we're looking at temperatures in the 80s. Normal high temperature is 80 degrees, but you see there's temperatures 85 degrees for the Panthers game. First day of fall comes in on Friday, and it's going to feel more like summer.
Yeah, it will.
Crazy, hard to believe.
Yeah.
Okay.